Welcome to my channel Numismatic Coins. Hello guys, hopefully you are feeling better today. I will tell you about the $1 million penny, exploring the 1970 US 1-cent coin, ***. We're embarking on a thrilling journey into the world of numismatics as we uncover the secrets behind the 1970 US 1-cent coin. You won't believe what could be hiding in your pocket change. Stay tuned as we explore the unique features, historical context, and the potential millions that this unassuming penny might be worth. Before you dismiss that 1970 penny as just a cent, take a closer look. What makes this particular coin special? Some of these pennies might be worth more than you could ever imagine. Historical context: in 1970, the United States Mint produced a substantial number of pennies. However, it's not just about the quantity. It's about the quality and the unique characteristics that set certain coins apart from the rest. Rarity. What contributes to the rarity of the 1970 1-cent coin? We're talking about minting errors, double dies, or other anomalies that occurred during production. These variations can turn an ordinary penny into a sought-after gem in the world of coin collecting. Expert inside. To shed more light on this, we spoke with numismatic experts who shared insights into why collectors are willing to pay top dollar for certain 1970 pennies. The 1970 1-cent coin can be worth significantly more if it exhibits errors like double dies, off-center strikes, or other unique variations. Collectors value these coins not just for their age, but for the rarity and distinctiveness they bring to a collection. Valuable variations. Let's take a look at some examples. This 1970 1-cent coin with a double die error recently sold at auction for mention the amount, turning it into a small fortune for its owner. We also reached out to passionate collectors who shared their stories of finding valuable coins in everyday circulation. It turns out that sometimes a closer look can reveal hidden treasures in your pocket change. Identifying valuable coins. If you're eager to try your luck in the world of coin collecting, keep an eye out for subtle differences in the coin's details. Consult with experts, use magnification tools, and stay informed about recent sales to gauge the potential value of your discovery. Conclusion. So, the next time you come across a 1970 US 1-cent coin, remember, it might be more than just a penny. It could be a hidden gem worth millions. Happy hunting, and may you uncover your own numismatic fortune. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more thrilling coin-related content. Until next time, happy collecting.
To watch more, subscribe.